Ever wondered how to tackle a math problem that looks like a puzzle within a puzzle? Today, we're diving into composite functions, specifically how to evaluate f of negative 2 plus g of 3 given these two functions. F of x equals 3/4 x plus 10, and g of x equals x squared minus 3. By the end, you'll not only solve this specific problem, but also master the step-by-step process for evaluating complex composite functions. Our first mission: evaluate g of 3. We take our g function, substitute 3 for x, calculate 3 squared, which is 9, then subtract 3. This gives us g of 3 equals 6. Now we have the inner part of our expression, negative 2 plus g of 3. Since we just found that g of 3 is 6, we simply substitute 6 back in. Negative 2 plus 6 equals 4. With our inner part ready, we now evaluate f of 4. We use the f function, substitute 4 for x, multiply 4 by 3/4 to get 3, and then add 10. This gives us f of 4 equals 13. So the value of f of negative 2 plus g of 3 is 13. In summary, we've broken down a complex composite function into manageable steps. By evaluating the inner function first, we can solve even the most challenging composite function problems.